Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the billing info in your Asana account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to open our account, and after opening the account, you'll be able to see the add billing info option here. So as you can see, here's the button. So we have to click on the button, and after clicking on the button, as you can see now, here's the select your plan. Now simply we need to choose the plan that which plan you want. As you can see, this is the starter plan, $10 a month. We need to pay this amount for the month, and we will get these all benefits in this package. And the second package is advanced. The cost of this package is this, and now we will be able to get these options, these facilities in this package. So as you can see now, the prices are mentioned here, and the facilities and the features are also mentioned here. You can buy these. So as you can see, some other packages are also mentioned here. You can also buy these projects, these packages as well. So in this way you can buy the Asana Premium as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.